Today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful Chevrolet Corvette. This particular example, 1970 convertible, finished in LeMans blue. So it does have an LT1 style hood, which I think enhances its aesthetic appeal. This car not an LT1. So as you may know, in 1970, this is an extremely low production year for Corvettes. Just under 18,000 were produced, and of those, less than 7,000 were convertibles. See how well this car has been put together. And I want to show the top here and how clear the back glass, plexiglass in this case, is. It does have a luggage rack, which also, in my opinion, enhances the aesthetics of the car. So all the chrome and the parts on this car are either new or replaced as new. And you can tell by the gloss in the paint just how gorgeous the body on this car is. 8-inch rally wheels. I'm going to pause for just a moment and we're going to operate this top. So here, we'll walk through and take a look. You'll notice all the courtesy lamps do work. It is wired for 2 larger speakers in the rear. They've not been installed. That's something so that if you choose, you can install speakers of your choice. Again, you can see I'm not going to force that at the moment for the sake of this video. So again, blue interior. We're going to fire it up in just a moment. But first, I'm going to open the hood. My assistant will get that for us. So it does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo, and all these lights on the console, they function when you depress the brakes. Tail lamps, headlamps, everything functions the way it should. And again, the entire interior is new, as is the rest of the car. Only 200, as of today, 276 miles. Since the restoration was completed. And you can see here on the trim tag, paint code 976, which again indicates LeMans blue. Take a look here. For those of you like me that are interested in the details. So I do not see any evidence that this car was ever in an accident, as we can see by the front clip where it's fastened, bonded on, if you will. So this engine has been rebuilt along with many of the other components of this vehicle. It is not the original engine. but it is a quite powerful 350 cubic inch motor, and you see the HEI distributor here and the power disc brakes, which are very touchy, very sensitive. This car will stop on a dime. See the clutch fan. See an aftermarket, actually that is not an aftermarket, that's a snowflake intake now that I see. Alright, we're going to fire it up here. Music to my ears. See the tachometer functions. I did just recently fill up with premium fuel. Radio, as you can hear, works. Plenty of oil pressure. Now the temperature gauge is not functioning at the moment. However, we've diagnosed it as the sensor. So we will take care of that. Walk out here, open the headlights. So you can see they function just as they should. What a beautiful, beautiful car. So we have over 100 images on our website. So that way if there's anything that potentially I've overlooked, for example, tilt wheel, horn blows. So this 1970 convertible is offered for here